All right guys, so I got 18 stores to do in 30 days. So we're gonna do maintenance, check the units over and all that. What I used to do is I used to write a list. Old school way was to write it on paper and scratch them out as we went. Then I started making notes on my phone and then checking them off as we went. But now we're digital. Now we're gonna put it in Hvacr once and then just reuse it over every 6 months. And it's gonna remind me and tell me when they're due and all that. Of course, I just got approved for this one, so I entered it on the Hvacr software, and I'll show you how to do that right now. All right, so all we're gonna do is fill in everything that it asked for. This is a twice a year schedule that I'm gonna set up for our PMs and maintenance. So let's get to it. All right, so once we got that done, we're gonna go in. I just got here, so we're gonna find the one that we're doing and check in, and then we'll get started on the work order. And once I'm done, it's gonna remind me to generate an invoice and it'll do it for me. So maintenance, done simple, stuff that we schedule out can be entered and then just used over as a routine, and you or any of your guys can check in and out, make invoices and all that. All right guys, so we finished the first one. I'm gonna go into the Hvacr app. Usually I use my phone, but it's recording, so I'm on my iPad. Just gonna go in, check out, mark it all done. And then from there, it's gonna ask me if the visit is complete, create invoice now or invoice later. I wanna do it now. The store managers like to have a copy, so I have a printer. That's why I keep a printer in here, so I can print it real quick and then they can have their copy. And then once I'm ready to bill them, I actually email it directly from Hvacr to their headquarters, the billing department, and then that's how I get paid. So one app does everything for me. Okay, so I just have to fill out a couple of things, which is basically like what we did on the visit, which is, for me, it's a copy and paste type of deal because we're doing the same thing at 18 stores. And once I'm done, save it, and we have our new invoice. Now, like I said, I'm gonna be printing it, so we got that out, and then we're just gonna hit. The only thing is you do have to print from the web, not the app. The app doesn't allow me to print for some reason, but I'm gonna go to the web real quick, hit print, and then move on to the next one. That's what this is all about. Scheduled, easy. Just let Hvacr do everything, and then do your call and get to the next one. All right, so we got to the next call. Just gonna check in and then repeat the whole process. It's gonna be already set up for me to invoice and all that when I'm done. Now we got a random rain cloud, which I think just passed. So now we can go out there and get on the roof. Oh man, another storm is coming. See if we can get this done before we get poured on. All right, guys, so I couldn't record everything. It got really dark, a lot of thunder and lightning, so I'm trying to get out of here. For you guys that are like, oh, it's just a little rain, we get hurricanes down here in Texas, so thankfully it never hits us. We do get a lot of like flooding and stuff like that, and then sometimes I can't even see on the expressway because of how hard the rain gets. So just finish in time. Obviously you want to go over, well, see if the unit's working when you get there. You know, all the components are on, the compressor's on, fans, you know, contactors look good. And then clean the coil and just inspect the electrical and the drains, and let them know if they need any major repairs or any little repairs. I usually categorize them in like minor or major. Like major, the system won't work without us doing a repair, or if it's minor, I can come back another day and replace like some contactors or something small like that. So again, I'm gonna go into Jobber. I have one more task for today, which is this one. Gonna complete it. Create invoice now. And then just make my little notes on it. And we're done. I'm gonna do the same thing because they like having a copy for themselves at the store. So I'm gonna print it out. And then later we're gonna email these out to the billing department and get paid quick and easy.